Welcome to the discussion. We are looking at a question in Form 1 under word problems. Our question reads, a group of 240 people plan to contribute 4,800,000 to start a business. However, before contributions were made, 80 members pulled out. Find the initial amount of money each member in the group was to contribute. Remember, initially we had 240, and the 240 was supposed to contribute 4,800,000. In this case now, to find the amount each will contribute, we simply take the total amount of money that was supposed to be raised initially of 4,800,000. We divide by the initial number of people, which were 240, and this gives us a total of shillings 20,000, meaning each was supposed to contribute 20,000 shillings. We go to part B. After 80 members pulled out, calculate the percentage change in the amount contributed per member. In this case now, the new number will be equal to 240. We minus 80 who pulled out, and this one gives us 160. That means the new amount that each will contribute will be equal to 4,800,000. You divide by the new number of members, which were 160, and this one gives us 30,000 shillings. But what we are supposed to calculate is the percentage change in the amount contributed. The first thing we need to get is the change, and therefore the change in contribution will be equal to 30,000 minus 20,000, and this gives us 10,000 shillings. To get the percentage change, we take the change, which is 10,000, we divide by the original amount, which was 20,000, or the original contribution. We multiply by 100%, and this one will give us 50% change. That is part B, already worked out. We go to part C. Part C says 40 new members joined the group just before the business started. As a result, the old members were refunded some money. Determine the amount of money that was refunded to each member. In this case now, what we need to do is to get the new number of members. Remember, 80 pulled out, so we were remaining with 160. 40 members joined, and this gives us a total of 200 members. From there, we need to calculate the contribution of each. Each member will contribute 4,800,000. You divide by the new members, which were 200, and this one gives us 24,000. So that means after 40 members have joined to make them 200, each will contribute 24,000. But remember, initially after 80 pulled out, each member was supposed to contribute 30,000. And now that we have added 40 more members, each will contribute 24,000, and that means the amount refunded amount refunded will be equal to 30,000. You minus 24,000, which is the new contribution, and that gives us a total of 6,000 Kenya shillings. We move down to Roman 2 of the question. They want us to determine the ratio in which the amount of money contributed by each member decreased. Remember, the new contribution is 24,000 and the earlier contribution was supposed to be 30,000. In this case now, we can cut off the 3 zeros, then 6 is common in both, and therefore 24 by 6 you get 4, then 30 by 6 you get 5, and that is the ratio in which the contribution by each member decreased. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly take 1 second and click the subscribe button so that anytime we produce a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.